Hi everyone, welcome to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto opportunities. I'm Adam, and today we're exploring the Berachain Airdrop Tokens, a fantastic way to dive into the Berachain ecosystem and earn free tokens. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to claim your Berachain tokens, why this project is gaining attention, and how much you could potentially benefit from participating. As always, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'll provide advice, updates, and personal support to help you make the most of this opportunity. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to connect. Let's get started. Berachain is a cutting-edge blockchain platform designed to revolutionize decentralized finance, DeFi. It introduces a unique proof of liquidity (POL) consensus mechanism, allowing users to stake, lend, and borrow assets while earning rewards. The Berachain Airdrop Tokens initiative is a way to reward early supporters and help build a vibrant community. By completing a few simple tasks, you can earn tokens and gain access to an ecosystem that could redefine DeFi. Now let's talk about the rewards and potential profit from this airdrop. Estimated value. While exact numbers depend on market conditions, participants could earn between $100 to $1 million. Example scenario: if Berachain tokens launch at $1 and you receive 1,000 tokens, your rewards could total $1,000. If the project succeeds and token value increases, the potential profit could grow significantly over time. Here's how to claim your Berachain Airdrop tokens in just a few simple steps. Number 1. Visit the official airdrop page. Number 2. This might include joining their Telegram group. Number 3. Provide the required information and wait for confirmation. Always verify that you're interacting with the official website to ensure your security and avoid scams. If you have any questions about the Berachain airdrop or need help with other crypto projects, I'm here for you. You can message me directly on Telegram for advice, updates, or guidance on navigating this airdrop. The link to my Telegram is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to assist. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know about the latest airdrops and crypto news. Good luck with your airdrop journey, and remember, I'm just a message away if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.